Hello friends, now we see the problem number 8, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 8 is limit extends to 1 in bracket 1 upon x square plus x minus 2, then minus x upon x cube minus 1. Now let's see the solution. First, L for limit, that L equal to limit extends to 1 upon x square plus x minus 2, and then minus x upon x cube minus 1. Now here we have to factorize the terms which are present in the denominator. So first we consider that x square plus x minus 2. So that can be factorized. The last term is a 2. Can be factorized at 2 ones are 2. Since we required plus 1 in the middle term, so we write plus 2 minus 1, and the required factor for this quadratic equation is x plus 2 in one bracket and x minus 1 in the second bracket. Now we consider the second term, that x cube minus 1, which is of the type x the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube. And for this purpose we apply the formula that a cube minus b cube, and that equal to, we have a minus b in the first bracket and then a square plus ab plus b square in the second bracket. So present case, a means x and b means 1, so we must have x minus 1 in one bracket, and the second bracket is x square plus x plus 1. So in this way we get factors of the terms which are present in the denominator. So our question becomes L is equal to, now limit x tends to 1 upon x plus 2 into x minus 1, and then minus x upon x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now here we take LCM, that the different terms which are present in the denominator. So the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to 1. Now the different terms present in denominator are respectively x minus 1, x plus 2 and x square plus x plus 1. So out of these three terms, the terms x square plus x plus 1 is absent in the first term. So 1 into that the absent term x square plus x plus 1 in the numerator. Then we write minus sign and then we write x. For second term, the term missing is x plus 2. So we have to x into x plus 2. So the next step will be limit x tends to 1. If you open that bracket present in numerator, we have x square plus x plus 1. Then minus x square minus 2x, and then whole thing divided by x minus 1, x plus 2, and then x square plus x plus 1. That all terms we write in the denominator as it is. So the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to 1. Now we cancel x square plus minus from numerator. Then x minus 2x, so that gives us minus x plus 1 in the numerator, and the terms that x minus 1, x plus 2 and x square plus x plus 1 we write as it is in the denominator. So that equal to the problem number 8 continuation is is equal to limit x tends to 1. Now from numerator we take minus 1 common. So we have minus in bracket x minus 1 upon, we write x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 plus x plus 1 as it is in the denominator. Now here we cancel the term x minus 1 from numerator and denominator, stating the reason that since x tends to 1, therefore x not equal to 1, and therefore x minus 1 not equal to 0. It means we cancel the term x minus 1 from numerator and denominator. Therefore, the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to 1. We have the term minus 1 in the numerator and x plus 2, x square plus x plus 1. These are term in the denominator. Finally, we put x is equal to 1 as a limit. So we have minus 1 upon 1 plus 2, next bracket 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So that equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 gives 3 into 1 square 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, and that is equal to minus 1 upon 9. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.